Are you also one of those who get stuck at 6.5 or 6 in your IELTS writing? You're working really hard, but it does not go to 7. So, here I'm going to assess a writing through which I'll tell you that why this writing would not score band score of 7. So, let's begin. The question is, some people believe that parents who are working should send their children to daycare centers, while others believe that grandparents can be the best caretakers for children. So let's see what are the mistakes or what are the good points and bad points of this answer. Let's check it out. There are many families where both spouses are working nowadays and they have to either rely on daycare centers for their kids or their parents for looking after the child. So, if you talk about the beginning introduction, it's quite fine. There is not a big deal, a big problem. Well, use of either is very good. Use of rely means depend. That's a good synonym. And question is well stated. The student has restated the question very well. So this black portion, of course, very good. Now, as I come here, daycare center have their pros such as trained caretakers who not only look after the physical requirement of the child but also make sure that the academic and social requirement is taken care of. If you talk about sentence structure, use of not only but also, it's perfect. But in intro, if we include something like this, it does not look good because the student is giving the detail in intro itself. In as it is discussed both, there should be two separate body paragraphs, one for daycare centers and one for grandparents. So here explaining everything is not a very good idea. Then let us see. In my opinion, grandparents are best caretakers for the children of working parents. If you talk about the opinion part, perfectly fine. So I think this red portion, it's better to give the detail about daycare centers in body paragraph 1. Okay, let's see. Now, one another problem which I can see here is opinion ends here, but the student has not changed the paragraph. How we'll come to know that this is a new paragraph? So if you talk about logical paragraphing, it's not there. Proper paragraphing cannot be seen. So there are no logical paragraphs. After intro, you should either leave a line or you should leave a space in the next line and then begin. So here the student will lose marks. Okay, let's check out the paragraph grandparents. Grandparents inherit affection and love towards a child naturally due to their blood relationship with the kid. Well started, but use of kid word does not look good here. It's a bit informal. So it's better that students should use the word children, okay, rather than kid. That doesn't sound good. Okay, then after beginning a paragraph, you should write the explanation part. Also, they make sure that the child is well fed and being part of family, they are aware, it's a grammatical error, they are aware about the choices of the child. So, the use of also is not good here, is not appropriate here. The student is saying that grandparents inherit affection and love towards a child naturally due to their blood relationship with the kid. So here we should give the explanation. So there is no need of also here. The student could have directly started. They make sure that the child is well fed and being part of family, they are aware about the choices of the child. Grandparents will make sure that the routine of the child is followed and the child's academic studies are not hampered. Till here, it's nice. Good explanation. Also, now here use of also is fine. You can see one thing. The student is using also again and again and again. Also again here. Also again here. Also again here. Also again here. So this is going to deduct the scores because there is a repetition. There is overuse and unnecessary use of linkers. So here, as I told you, there was no use. Here also is fine. Also, when grandparents are taking care of the kid, parents need of the kid, again of the grandchildren, comma will come here. Parents need not to worry about the child's safety. Again, sentence structure is quite good. Grandparents are excellent caregivers as they experience in taking care of their own kids. Again, also it helps in strengthening the bond. So if you want a synonym for this, you could have used moreover. The student could have used moreover. It helps in strengthening the bond between grandkids and grandparents, which will promote healthy family atmosphere. Now, what I see here, the student is continuing with grandparents, such a big paragraph where only importance is given to too many points. But it is not right. You should pick up one central idea in one paragraph. Of course, you're talking about what grandparents can do, but there is no need to give such a lot of information, And because the student is trying to make it lengthy, that's why there's a repetition of connectors also. Even if you're not using also here, again and again using linkers is also not a good idea. So it's better that the main mistake by the student is lack of proper paragraphing as well as overuse of linkers and unnecessary use of linkers. One more mistake, it is discuss both. So there should have been separate paragraph for daycare centers and one paragraph for grandparents. That also is not done. So here also the student will lose mark. Let's check out the conclusion. Many people will believe that the daycare centers is excellent option to the child while the parents are at work. I strongly believe that grandparents are the ideal caregivers in absence of the parents for the child as a blood relation which helps welcome a bond deeply, leads to the healthy atmosphere for child's growth and development. Well, conclusion is good because there is a clear indication that grandparents are the best caregivers. So here, because of repetition of linkers, because of unnecessary use of linkers, and as there is no proper paragraphing, no logical paragraphing, and there is no separate paragraph for daycare centers, the student will not be able to score 7 or above that. So I hope this will be useful for you. So next time when you are writing, do take care of these things. Thank you.
इस वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखने के लिए थैंक यू। अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया है तो इसे लाइक और शेयर करें। सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल ना भूलें। अगर आपको कोई डाउट है तो कमेंट सेक्शन में उसे लिखें, हम जल्दी ही उसका रिप्लाई देंगे।